In this video, I'm going to give you an answer for an American trivia question, and the question is, what game show host was replaced by Drew Carey in 2007? What game show host was replaced by Drew Carey in 2007? Now, I will give you a list of options for you. Guess which one is the correct one? Well, here is a list of the options. The very first option is Chuck Woolery. The second option is Richard Dawson. The third one is Regis Philbin, and the very last option is Bob Barker. So which one is the correct answer for the question? Now, it's time for me to share with you the correct answer for the question, and the correct one is Bob Barker. So that is the correct answer for the question. Bob Barker, that's the answer. Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video is very useful, you need to help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel and click this like button. And this video is very good for lawyer, businessmen, dentists, doctors, students, people who need to pay insurance, artists, PhD student, people working on getting loan, basically anyone. I mean, it doesn't matter who you are. This video would be very useful for you. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. See you again.